Vaccine passports are being developed to verify COVID-19 immunization status. It will also allow inoculated people to travel more freely, shop and dine. And their creation is causing some confusion and questions like whether their use would violate HIPAA. Liza Lucas verifies.
It's been a trending topic on Twitter. Do vaccine passports violate HIPAA? The claim circulating in response to the idea of using an app to prove you've been vaccinated for COVID-19. Let's take a closer look. Our sources, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Professor Anita Farahani of Duke Law School, and Harvard Law School Professor Glenn Cohen. First, the basics. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, set national standards for protecting personal medical information from being disclosed without a patient's consent. The federal law applies to covered entities like doctors, hospitals, and insurance companies.
All HIPAA really does is give you a right of access to your information. If you choose to voluntarily share your information with a third party, like if you use it to get onto an airplane or if you use it to go into a restaurant or something like that, you're consenting to sharing your medical information.
Professor Cohen spells it out further.
People are fixating on HIPAA, but really what they're concerned about is this question about should we be allowed to require people to be vaccinated? And what does that mean to move in a society, and how much pressure towards vaccination is appropriate?
So the idea vaccine passports violate HIPAA? That's false. But Cohen says the idea could face other legal hurdles.
HIPAA is not all there is out there, and there are other statutes that might be brought to bear on the question of the legality of vaccine passports.
Vaccine passports also raise issues of fairness.
If a vaccine passport is your ticket to be able to reintegrate into society, whether that's to get a job or to go to a restaurant, then we're really discriminating against people who can't get a vaccine passport. And those are people who are already potentially the worst off based on the pandemic.
So we can verify vaccine passports do not violate HIPAA, but the idea of requiring proof of vaccination may face other legal challenges down the road.
Do you have something for us to verify? Our team is here to address all of the viral claims and questions out there. Send us an email at verify@11alive.com.